Hello, and this is Brian Welch, and today we're going to be going over the Medicare Supplement Quoting Tool. This is what the tool is going to look like when you get logged into the site. As you can see here, you can do a number of different things with your account. The first is begin running a Medicare Supplement quote, but beyond that, you can also go to your My Account button here to change your password and adjust your account or contact support if you're having an issue. But we'll go ahead and get started here, and this is just a brief introduction to the tool to kind of understand how the tool works and what you can exactly do when you're quoting a Medicare supplement plan. So we'll go ahead and press Run Quote. It's going to bring up now the demographics page. What you do on this page is enter the demographics of the person you're trying to run. So go ahead and enter any zip code in the country, and this will run everything from Maine down to Hawaii. And so any zip code will give you the corresponding county and city and state. And then you'll also be able to select the age, the gender, and the tobacco status of the person you're trying to run. So we'll go ahead and click Get Quote here, and it's going to run for this zip code, a 65-year-old female non-tobacco user, Plan F. We default to Plan F, but as you'll be able to tell when you get into the tool, you can select any plan A through N. So what this is showing you now is all the pricing from cheapest to most expensive, all the insurance plans that are available to that person. So we'll obviously give you the price per month and the company name, but as well as the household discount and the policy fee, if they apply. So if the plan does have a policy fee or there is a household discount percentage, you can see that there. And we also give you here some company information. This includes AM Best and S&P ratings, if there's a parent company, if there's a rating class associated with this plan, that type of information will be available there. We'll also offer a few different toolbar and adjustment options. The first is going to be your quick quote screen. So let's say you wanted to switch from Plan F to G, you wanted to switch from from female to male, non-tobacco to tobacco. You can just adjust that here doing your quick quote. You don't have to keep clicking back and forth to run a new quote. On the left-hand side here, we have a few different toolbar options. The first is going to be the compare quotes. So let's say you wanted to compare two of these plans side by side. All you need to do is click the company names. They highlight them in green. You can then click the Compare Quotes button, and it'll take it to a new screen. And so this is if you wanted to remove certain plans away from the initial quote page. You can do so using that Compare option. We also have a few different export features. One is going to be the blue Print button. So if you wanted to print these options, in a printer-friendly format, you can do so. We'll also have the PDF option here. If you wanted to generate a PDF of this quote, email it to somebody, you can do so there. And lastly, we have the Excel feature. If you wanted to dump this into an Excel database, into the raw data format, you can click that green Excel plan. We have a few different adjust your view options. The first is going to be the expanded versus contracted view. If you wanted to show a simpler view to your consumer, you can just uncheck that expanded option. It will then show for all the companies just the price and the company name. The next one down is going to be the apply discounts. If you wanted to apply that 7% or 12% or 5% discount to the rate, you can do so here, and it'll readjust the pricing accordingly. Next one down is annual rate. This is pretty self-explanatory. If you wanted to see the annual rate versus the monthly, you can do so by making that adjustment. And the fourth one down is the market analytics, and this is going to go over three different things. It's going to go over age increases. So for attained age policies, each year the insured gets older, what that plan will cost in year 2, year 3, year 4. And so you can give them an idea as the rate stands today, what they'll be paying in the future. It'll then give you the increase history if they have some, as well as the market data if they report it. And so this is NAIC data that's self-reported by the companies. Kind of the last feature here is the underwriting data, and so if you are dealing with somebody outside their open enrollment period and they happen to have to go through underwriting, you can then check any condition that would apply to that person. So for example, we'll select heart attack. For each one of these companies, we'll show you the look-back periods for each one of the conditions. As you can see here, the look-back period is 2 years. So for Unified Life, if they've had a heart attack in the last 2 years, they'd have to answer yes on the application, and therefore could be used as an item of declination for why they wouldn't be issued that policy. But this is just a really good indication of kind of give you a good overview of what the MedSup market looks like each time you quote. This is meant to be a really helpful guide in understanding and finding the best plans for your clients. I hope you enjoy using the tool. If you have any questions, please click that contact support button and you'll get answered back right away. And I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching this short video. Have a good one.